down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that.
Beautifully tucked on your private 22-acre haven, you'll adore the privacy, serenity, and convenience that this property has to offer. A meandering stream adds to the picturesque setting. You can spend a lifetime exploring the trails and never tire of the impeccable views. Situated in Riverside School District, the location makes you feel like there isn't a neighbor for miles. The outbuildings and existing well and septic of the 1840 home are features that you're sure to appreciate. This peaceful setting is your own private wooded haven. Bring your vision and make this your dream retreat.